thick, A4 size paper for making the template for the envelopes. Fold it and draw the lines as shown. Mark a point slightly off the center. This is to ensure that the edges overlap when we fold the envelope. Cut it out and fold to see if it sits correctly. Now our template is ready. Take as many color papers as you require. Place the template on the paper and trace the edges. Cut and fold. Glue down the edges. Cut out the cardstock in such a way that it fits inside the envelopes. Design your cards. The templates for these cards are posted in the description. Make as many as you want and impress your friends with your crafting skills.